Hey everybody, I'm really excited. Today we're going to try out our engineered either apple annihilator or our marshmallow shooters. All right, so today when you are trying this out, I need you to fill in your lab sheet as you're going along. And don't forget, you need to hand in that lab sheet. That lab sheet's for a grade. But I also want to see the pictures of the things that you created. And yours may look different than mine. So I would like to see pictures of what you created, and also have your parents let me know whether or not you want me to upload your picture so that other people can see your creations too. So since we can't gather together and look at each other's projects, then we can go through and look at the gallery of work and see each other's projects. All right, so that's just a way for us to share what we've created. Okay, so today we're going to be working with force, and we're going to be talking about or looking at if we apply more force or if we do things a little differently, how does that affect the result of our either apple annihilator or the marshmallow shooter. So for instance, when I'm doing this activity, when I raise this up, and I'm not going to fling it forward, I'm just going to let it go. So if I just say I go ahead and I pull it back, and I only pull it to right here, and then I let go, and I get a certain response. Ooh, I got a strike. All right, so if I put these back up, and instead I pull it up a little bit higher, maybe I pull it equal to, so that the string is equal to the pencil, and I pull it back and I let it go this time. So do I get a different result? What happens if I only pull it back just a little bit? What kind of result do I get? So play around with that and see if you can tell a difference in the amount of force and the reaction that the pins have. Okay, so that's one thing that you can try and look at. Okay, so when you put your marshmallow in the marshmallow shooter, if you pull this back and you just lightly let it go, what happens to the marshmallow? What happens if you pull it back a little bit more? What happens if you pull it back all the way that you can and let go of that marshmallow? Do you get different results? Also try different sized marshmallows. Try a small marshmallow, try a large marshmallow. What results do you have? What differences do you see? When you apply more force, does the marshmallow shoot out farther? When you apply less force, does it barely leave the marshmallow shooter? So we're playing around with force when we're doing these STEM activities. So I hope you're enjoying this. Make sure that you write down your results and you upload that to my webpage. So we're kind of doing engineering and force and motion combined this week. I thought this was kind of a fun way to put together what we've been talking about and what we've been learning. All right, so I want you to try these out, do your lab sheets, and I will see you tomorrow. Have fun. Remember, keep learning, stay curious, and come back tomorrow.